Hi, my name's Evie and we're from Treaton Primary School.
My name is Holiday.
My name's Henry.
And my name's Elliot.
Today we learned what electricity is.
We learnt how power was used.
We've learned about renewable, non-renewable and sustainable power.
So water, is it renewable?
Yeah.
Who wants to be electrocuted? So you do know what I mean, don't you? Yes. So shall we electrocute? Yeah. No. We won't electrocute you. We need some.
We had to rub our hands. Me and this girl went up and we rubbed our hands, and then with the thing they tested our electricity on each other. And yours was 3.
Yeah.
Yours was 3 and mine were either 0.
And that was thermal energy.
Yeah.
We also built an electric car.
This zappy thing. So you had to clip him onto this thing, and you had to hold it, and there was a screen, and it said how much battery it was.
Yeah.
Get in here.
We laid out this big flat map, and we drove and tested.
Hi, my name's Sam and I'm from YPO. The workshop's been brilliant. It's been really fun watching all the kids get really excited and really competitive in their little teams. You can see the learning that they're taking on board during it, and it's a really, really practical, really, really fun way. It's been great seeing them, and that's the really good thing for us is that we know that these external resources are really, really welcome. So the more schools we can get that in, the better. I suppose a lot of schools will probably know YPO best for supplying them with things like exercise books and glue sticks and pens, and some of them might not realise that we also are able to provide frameworks for things like energy that's specially designed for education.
Hydroelectric one.
Yeah, hydrogen.
Because it uses water to turn into electricity.
Maybe nuclear, because I love learning about it. I want to work on nuclear.
I think a scientist or what's it called, dentist.
Or there was
I'd
be a dentist or a dancer.
Did it have the cool stickers
all
on?
the stickers on.
Yeah, it was really cool.
Yeah.
Big thank you to Elevation X for delivering such a fantastic session. The guys are so passionate about it, and they're really good with the kids, and they get them really involved.
It was cool. I think
it was
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
I think it was mind blowing.
Yeah, I learned a lot of new stuff.
I want to try.